Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to replace a headlight on an '08 Ford Crown Vic. Now this applies to '05 through 2010 headlights. They're all the same setup for Crown Vics. So if you have like a 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, or 2009, your headlight will be the same to get it out as this is. So I'm going to show you guys how to do all that in today's video. Okay guys, so we're gonna be replacing the driver's side headlight on my Crown Vic today. So these are your wires for your turn signal and headlight. I already pulled the old bulbs out of here. They just go in this, the turn signal goes in this hole and the headlight goes in this one here, and then they come in there and there. Okay, so there are these brackets here. They look like this. There's one on this side here, and there's one on this side here. The left, when you're looking down at it like this, the left side only has one hole on it. That side has two holes on it, and they literally slide over and get pushed down like so. So you just have to wiggle it up. This is really hard to do with one hand. Just pulls up. Come on. And comes off. Just real quick. It's a lot easier with two hands to do this. So I recommend two hands when you're doing this. To push these down. These studs down, pull the headlight bracket up, and it slides right off the top. And then in theory, okay, so these studs, once you get the brackets off, they should just push back out. Come on, there we go. So you just push them back out, and then your headlight comes out like so. And now I'm going to show you how to put them back in with the new one. This is the new one. The old one is right there. So, okay, so you're going to get this back in here. Hang on. You're gonna take the bracket with the one, slide it back over the stud and push it down until it clicks like that. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you get your headlight up in here. I'm gonna put it over this bottom one. Okay, come on. Gonna get it over the studs and push it down until you hear that little snap. Alright, and then that is in there like so, and then you can see the other one, so it's back in same position as the other. And then you're gonna take your turn signal and your headlight. Hang on. Got a new bulb here for the headlight, make sure it's not broken. And then you can see the headlight has like a D shape. The has also a D shape. So you're just gonna take it, you're gonna slide it down like this and push it till it clicks. And then the turn signal right here has a little clip. You just gotta push the clip and pop this out. And if you just need to change the bulb, carefully pull the bulb out here. Very carefully pull the bulb out like so. And then that's your turn signal bulb, which then just carefully goes back in there. Okay. Then you want to slide these down like so. Hang on. Get it into the hole. Your headlight has one of this little ring, and it goes over your headlight. Other way. Okay, so you want this little ring on here first, okay, before your headlight. If your car doesn't have this for your headlight, it should. It should very well have one. And then you just gotta finesse. Alright. And then you put it in the hole there. And then whew, whew. Okay, so gotta kind of pop that in there like so, and then put the little ring around it and twist. Okay, and it's gonna, the headlight bulb is gonna pop in there. It'll stick and stay without the ring. The ring's just to make sure it doesn't go nowhere. Tail light, it has three little prongs and 3 little holes, so you just gotta line up the prongs with holes and turn it. So that it doesn't come out like so, it doesn't remove. And then that's it. It's simple as that to replace your headlight. Granted, my this piece here that the brackets and the headlight attaches to is broken in my car, but for every Crown Vic from 05 to 09 will be the same setup. To get it, you pull the brackets out. If you have a pry bar, you can put a pry bar underneath here and pry it up just till it pops to get those out, if you can't do it by hand. And then let's bring you up closer. Then this, it just clasps over the studs there, real simple. And then this one is your headlight, and this one is your turn signal on this side. So that's that. Okay guys, so that's how to change your headlight on your Crown Victoria if you got an 05 to 08. 05 to 09, I mean. 2010, I believe they changed it, and before 2005 it was different. And that's Benny helping me fix the car today. So yeah, that's another easy thing you can do on your car. It's real simple. So I have another video coming up for you guys shortly. I know the videos have been kind of scarce. Some stuff has happened.
My toy and stuff, and us, and a good toy.
You gonna say hi, or you gonna say bye? You say bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. So new video coming. That's how to change your headlight. Real simple. I do have some other videos coming. I had a little bit of issues. The 300 is currently not here. It is stuck. I need to get it towed here. I do have to do the struts and suspension on the Crown Vic. So we're gonna do the struts and suspension in the next week or two. I also have to do the brakes, so I will show you guys how to change the brakes. And I'm gonna be doing the emergency brake, drum brake in the back soon. So I'll be able to show you guys that as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Good vibes, good cruising.